In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate MCP servers like Zapier's with voice AI agents on Realfone AI without writing a single line of code. So let's get right into it. So to start off with your MCP server, head over to zapier.com/MCP and then hit get started right here. Then you'll be greeted with this page with your MCP server endpoint, which will end in /SSE. And all you want to do is click on edit actions over here, and you'll be taken to this MCP server editor. And as you can see, I've already put in two tools. So one is to book the job slot, and this is a simple Google Calendar quick add event. So it adds the event from text, which is basically a description from the AI. And then I've also added a custom name to the tool, which is book job slot. Then if we go back, we've got the check calendar tool. So basically this tool will look for events within a certain time frame, and the assistant can then avoid those times so that bookings don't overlap. So you can go ahead and copy these settings if you want, and then hit done or enable tool. So that's all you need for the Zapier MCP server, and let's move on to integrating it with Realfone AI. So once you've got your MCP server actions or tools, then all you need to do is just copy the URL and head over to realphoneai.tech, where you can try it for free. I've already got an account, so if I just go to the dashboard, and I've already set up an assistant as well. So this is going to be for a future video. Click on add server down here, and then you want to paste in that URL over here. And click on add server, and now it's going to check the server out and find the tools. And then every time the assistant is called, it's going to connect to it and then load those tools into the assistant. So now that we've added the server, let's publish it and give it a try. So we need to just add a few dynamic variables. As this is for a roofing company's quote follow-up system, we're going to add a few dynamic variables. Okay, so now let's give it a try.
Hi, Ibrahim. This is Mark from Hillberry Roofers. We gave you a quote recently, but haven't heard back from you in a while. Is there anything I can do to help you with your quote?
Yeah, what time can you come in?
Absolutely, Ibrahim. Let me quickly check our available slots for you. Just give me a minute. Thank you for waiting. We have a few openings available next week. Here are three options for you. Monday, April 14th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. 2. Wednesday, April 16th from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. 3.
I think
Friday.
Wednesday sounds all right.
Great choice. Let me book the slot for you on Wednesday, April 16th from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. In just a moment, you're all set. Your roof repair is scheduled for Wednesday, April 16th from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. at 123 Ford Street. If you need to reschedule or have any questions, feel free to reach out. We look forward to getting your roof in great shape. Have a wonderful day, Ibrahim.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Ibrahim. Take care and have a great day.
And as you can see, it's already booked the roof repair slot for us. A quick pro tip, if you turn on record transcripts and preserve call context, the assistant will then remember the phone caller so that it can then load their transcript in the next time they call. Basically, they don't start from square one, and then they can manage their appointments with ease. Now, if you don't know what Realphone AI is, it's my voice AI platform that I've made to make voice AI much easier for everyone. It includes stuff like MCP servers, integrations, advanced testing as well, and you get 500 free credits when you sign up. No credit card needed. So it's even available on mobile, so you can basically go to this website on mobile and the dashboard will look like any normal mobile app, which comes in really handy when you need to make last minute changes to your assistant while you're out and about. And as you can see here, we've got integrations as well as MCP server connections, as I've just shown you. So you can integrate with your favorite calendar or CRM providers like cal.com or Go High Level, and even Twilio as well to send SMS messages. We also have a lot of other features that make it really easy, such as conversation preservation, integrations, sending SMS messages within your tools, so custom coded tools as well, and much more like built-in noise cancellation or handing off to multiple phone numbers, as well as reading/writing from custom dynamic variables, which helps you store data on the call. And this all means that you don't have to deploy loads of databases or custom coded servers. If you want to try out Realphone AI, it's 500 free credits once you sign up. So that's all from me. If you enjoyed this video or found any value in this content, then please do leave a like, as it's greatly appreciated. And if you want to see more content just like this, then please do subscribe. That's all from me, and I'll see you in the next one.